it's Zoe.
And it's Katie.
And this is our new channel called
Yummy Crumbs. And today's recipe is cherry and apple pies.
So let's get to the ingredients.
2 eggs,
1/3 cup of sugar,
2 tablespoons of sugar,
1/3 cup of ground almonds,
1 tablespoon of water,
1 2/3 cup of canned cherries,
1 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour plus more for dusting,
and 2/3 stick of butter.
So
the first step is,
you'll need to grease the pan.
or you can line it with parchment paper. So we're going to grease the pan with butter. So you just need to rub it all over the pan. And make sure you get everywhere on the pan so nothing sticks. You don't really have to get the sides because nothing's going to really be on the sides.
When your pan looks shiny like this, that means that you greased the pan well enough. First, you're going to add the butter.
Then you're going to add the egg. Then you're going to blend it until it becomes a dough.
Next, you're just going to dust your surface with a little bit of flour, so your dough doesn't stick.
Now you're just going to knead the dough until it becomes a smooth ball.
If you don't know how to knead dough, all you have to do is just keep folding it, sprinkle a little flour, and then just play with it with your hands. Fold it, knead it down, fold it again, and when it becomes dry, not sticking to your hands, you're going to want to form it into a ball.
When you're done kneading the dough, it should look like this. Now you're going to cover it with plastic wrap and chill in the fridge for 30 minutes. Also, while the dough is chilling and the oven is preheating,
We will make the filling for the pie.
we're so sorry guys, but we left the apples out of the ingredients for the filling, so you will need 2 apples.
Also for the filling, you'll need the canned cherries, the ground almonds, and the sugar.
You're going to want to peel the apples.
Then you're going to dice up the apples into cubes.
Now we're going to add the ingredients to the bowl.
Which includes the apples, cherries,
The almonds, and they don't have to be ground almonds.
and the sugar. Now you're going to mix all this together. When the mixture looks like this, it's
So
ready.
we just got the dough out of the fridge.
And now we're going to make it even between 6 pieces.
So we're going to cut it in half.
Then we're just going to cut each half into 3 slices.
Okay. It should look like this. 6.
Now we're just going to flatten out one piece and just start rolling it until it becomes like a circle,
So now we're just going to put them on the baking sheet.
and do the rest. And when you're done rolling out the dough, it should look like this, and it should be at least 5 inches in
So you want to crack the egg in a bowl. And you want to mix it until the yolk and the egg white are well combined. When it looks like this, it should be ready.
Now we're going to brush the dough with the egg wash. Just going to want to dip the brush into the egg wash and then just brush it on like you're painting a canvas. This is what it should look like when you're done.
Okay, now you're gonna add the filling until there's an inch of dough showing on the outside. And make sure you get everything in it. This is what it should look like when it's done. Now you're going to fold the edges of the pies inwards.
This is what they should look like after folding them. Now you're going to brush the outside of the pies with the egg wash. And again, brush it like you're painting a canvas. And it's okay if you get it on the filling and on accident. Now you're going to get a little slice of butter and put it into each pie in the filling. This is what they should look like when you're done. Now you're going to put the pies in the oven, but make sure to be careful if you're younger than 10.
Bake the pies for 25 minutes or until golden brown. This is what it should look like when you take it out of the oven.
We added a scoop of ice cream because we thought it would go good with the pie.
On to our bloopers.
Hey everybody, it's Zoe.
I didn't know you were starting.
2 eggs,
A third a cup of sugar,
2 tablespoons of sugar,
a third a cup of ground almonds,
1 tablespoon of water,
1 2/3 cup of.
Why are you just looking at it? We'll use another one.
No.
And
And the supplies you will need are